Hey guys, we're here for another Smash Unbox, and we have another Xiaomi product here. And this is the new Wi-Fi 6 Xiaomi router, which is the AX1800. Okay, if you're wondering, yes, this is the new technology now, Wi-Fi 6. We'll give you a bit of idea what's the benefit of that. But the Wi-Fi 6 standard, if you know Wi-Fi ABC, A, B, and G rather, then we have this AX. That's the new Wi-Fi technology, which is called AX. And they said that this works really well in terms of not only the speed but the power, and it works well on a crowded connection, right? Especially nowadays when you're at home, you might have at least 15 to 20 on average devices connected to your internet. You might be using a mesh setup, and they're saying that this work with a mesh setup, but this might take care of the current setup that you have right away. So if you're using like a 2-3 mesh router, of course, depending on how big your place is, it might be interesting to check this out. Okay, so let's unbox this. Let's check first the Mi. We have the box here. So I bought it online. Obviously, it's all in Chinese, I suppose, because this is shipped overseas, right? A bit of information here. Wi-Fi 6. It has 1,775 Mbps speed transfer rate, I suppose. That's it. Okay, and you can use this right away for a mesh setup, guys. For its compatible brand. Obviously, if you're using Wi-Fi, Xiaomi Wi-Fi routers, then that's an option. Okay, let's open it up. Alright, so we have here the LAN cable, which is really short. And what cat is this? It's just cat 5. Okay, cat 5. Okay, let's see. Is there anything in the box? Should have an information sheet here. Okay, information sheet. Anything else? Let's smash and box that. Alright, so here you go, guys. Here's the Xiaomi router. Oh, it's not that heavy. It looks huge, but it's not that heavy. Okay, let's take a look at this. Top view. Front view says there, internet system. Okay, there you go. The ports. We have 4 LAN ports here. Actually, just 3. This is for the one. This is where you plug in your router. The AC adapter. Okay, the AC adapter plug and the reset button. Okay, so 3 LAN extension LAN connection, and this one goes to the WAN, or your wide access network, or your router. Then at the bottom, of course, you're gonna have the MAC address, and this is also a 2.4 and 5G Wi-Fi dual band. Okay, so it's supposed to be seated like that, and they're saying that it's an omni-channel, so all sides are actually amplifying or broadcasting signals. Okay, the Mi data sheet, unfortunately it's all in Chinese. We're not gonna do any testing right now. This is more of a out of the box, what you get straight out of the box. So this is what you get straight out of the box. You have the Xiaomi router, the data sheet, okay, the cat 5. I wonder why not use cat 6 already, but cat 5 LAN cable and the AC adapter. Okay, so that's what you get. We will have another video in terms of the functionalities. What I'm gonna do is I would have to actually reset my Google Mesh setup at my home and try this one, and do a comparison. If this is something that I can get rid of my Google Mesh setup, then that says a lot. Okay, so guys, please stay safe. Here's another Smash Unbox.